Technology. Technology is changing incredibly fast, faster than ever before. But the real question is, in all this digital noise, the right information and reliable sources.
Welcome to TechTribeDaily. This channel is built for people who want to understand technology in a simple way, a clear way, and a practical way. We break down complex tech topics into easy ideas, so you don't just watch, you actually understand. Your daily source for smart tech insights. Let's get started. On TechTribeDaily, we bring you daily tech news that actually matters. Honest smartphone and gadget reviews. No hype, no paid opinions, just real results. You'll also see the latest AI tools
And new innovations, explained in a simple way. No technical jargon. Short, fast tech videos designed to save your time, so you stay informed and stay
ahead. No wasting time on useless content. Just smart technology, built for beginners.
For beginners and tech enthusiasts alike, whether you're learning from scratch or staying updated, this is where technology becomes simple. No overity, just value. Our goal is simple. Explain technology clearly, no confusion. We test trends before you trust them, so you stay one step ahead in the digital future. Coming up, AI, smart devices, future technology that improves daily life.
We'll explore artificial intelligence in real-world use, future technology before it becomes mainstream, smart devices that
For everyday life, no hype, no confusion, just honest insight to help you make smart one step ahead in a fast-moving digital world. This is TechTribeDaily, built for your future. And this is just the beginning. Technology never stops, and neither do we. This is TechTribeDaily, where technology is explained clearly, honestly, and daily. No noise. To TechTribeDaily, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. New videos, new insights.